Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, trailer brake controller, 4-wheel drive, daytime running lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, remote start, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats, console. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.